In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT inside the Genspark browser. By the end, you'll be confidently chatting with the built-in AI and refining responses to get exactly what you need. Start by opening Genspark in your regular browser or launching the Genspark AI browser app on your computer. Log into your account so you can access the main interface. Once you're in, you'll land on the home area where all the AI tools live. This is your hub, and from here you can get to the chat feature without any extra setup. Next, locate the AI chat panel. It may be labeled ChatGPT, AI Copilot, or Ask Anything. This is the space where you'll type your questions and prompts. The layout should feel familiar. There's a text box at the bottom for your input, and the AI's answers will appear above it in a conversation thread. If you've used ChatGPT before, it will feel very similar. Now, start a conversation. Click into the chat box and type what you want help with. You can ask for a summary of an article, a draft of an email reply, or a simple explanation of a concept you're learning. Clear and specific prompts usually produce the best results. If you're referencing content, you can paste a short excerpt right into the chat. When you're ready, press Enter or click Send and give it a moment. Genspark will respond using its ChatGPT-style engine, presenting an answer directly in the thread. From here, refine or expand your prompts to steer the output. If the first response is too long, say, make it shorter. If you need structure for readability, say, add bullet points. If you're working across languages, say, translate to Spanish. You can stack requests too, like, make it shorter and friendlier, or keep the key facts, but rewrite for a beginner. Treat it like a conversation. Give feedback, ask for changes, and iterate until the response fits your goals. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Provide context, such as your audience, tone, or constraints like word count. When summarizing, mention the purpose. For example, summary for a meeting recap. If you need a draft email, describe the relationship and desired tone. And remember to avoid sharing sensitive information. Keep personal data and private credentials out of your prompts. That's it. Open Genspark, find the chat panel, start your conversation, and refine until it's right. With a bit of guidance from you, the AI becomes a fast, flexible assistant you can rely on for summaries, drafts, explanations, and more.